In this video, I'll show you how to reset your laptop in Windows 11 without losing your personal data. This method allows you to reinstall Windows while keeping your files and documents safe. To get started, open the Start menu and search for Settings, then click to open it. From the left side, select System and scroll down to click on Recovery. Next, find the Reset This PC option and click on the Reset PC button. You'll see two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. To avoid losing your personal data, choose Keep My Files. After that, you'll be given two choices: Cloud Download or Local Reinstall. Select Local Reinstall to reinstall Windows using files already on your device. If this option doesn't work, you can go back and try Cloud Download instead. You'll then see a summary explaining that Windows will be reinstalled and your apps will be reset, but your personal files will remain safe. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and click Next to continue. Once the process is complete, your laptop will be reset without deleting your data.